You're outside Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence. There are a large number of people, we understand, from the Congress party who are continuously coming to meet him. Raja Waring is inside right now. Give us a sense of what you are hearing about his next move. Is he going to take back his resignation?
Well, Nupur, it is not decided. Just because Navjot Singh Sidhu is very much adamant on his own demands to reduce the name of Rana Gurjeet from the cabinet ministry, to replace Advocate General APS Deol, to replace DGP IPS Sahota. So these are the three basic demands that Navjot Singh Sidhu has put to High Command as well as Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. But currently, Navjot Singh Sidhu is unpredictable. He is very uncertain, and even for the Congress party as well. I can show you the visuals where Navjot Singh Sidhu, Pargat Singh and Raja Waring, they both are coming out after having an hours-long meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. You can see the visuals, Nupur. Both are cabinet ministers, Pargat Singh sports minister, Raja Waring transport minister. Both are close aides of Navjot Singh Sidhu, and now since morning they are here with Navjot Singh Sidhu and meeting him to pacify the situation, to convincing him that everything will be fine. He should take back his resignation. Here you can see the visuals. We will try to speak to them also, just because last night Pargat Singh is the one who actually ensured that everything would be sorted by tomorrow, that means by today, and even now he is leaving from Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence, just because at 10:30 a.m. there is a cabinet meeting scheduled at Chandigarh, so they both have to leave. They both are the cabinet ministers, they have to attend the cabinet meeting, but their body language and expressions are very much telling, Nupur, that nothing has been materialized in the meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Sidhu has not ready to take back his resignation. This is what the body language is telling, though they both are remaining inaccessible to the media. They are sitting in their cars, and even they coming out after having an hours-long meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Sidhu now alone at his residence with no leader, no MLA. We will try to talk to them. Pargat Singh ji, Pargat, speak to the media. Pargat Singh ji, Pargat Singh ji. Even you can see, even Nupur, nobody is really wanted to speak on this issue, just because nothing has been sought out. Silence of these two leaders who are actually leaving Sidhu's residence with some sort of disappointing expressions. The body language of both the leaders are very much revealing that Navjot Singh Sidhu is still adamant to his demands.
Absolutely, Amandeep, as you're pointing out, of course, Navjot Singh Sidhu dinging his heels in at the moment, not willing to budge an inch from, from what you are telling us right now. But, we are also being told that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been in constant touch with him. What are you hearing on that aspect of it? Is that something that's going to work? Because it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who was insistent on making him the PCC chief.
Well, exactly. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was behind Navjot Singh Sidhu's appointment as PPCC chief. After ignoring all the controversies, after pulling down Captain Amrinder Singh, not taking then Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh in loop for the appointment of PPCC chief, Navjot Singh Sidhu all of a sudden held 2 to 3 meetings with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and appointed as PPCC chief. So this happened just because of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Navjot Singh Sidhu and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
Okay, I'm going to have to interrupt you over there. I'm going to have to interrupt you over there. We're getting breaking news right now. We are being told that the High Command has spoken to the Chief Minister Channi twice since yesterday over the resignation of Navjot Singh Sidhu.